Good morning, traders. In this video, I would like to show you the difference in market conditions between yesterday morning when market conditions were flawless versus this morning. Yesterday morning was 10 out of 10 Monday because yesterday morning, as we discussed with students 4 days before it actually played out in Friday Fibonacci class, this was institutional support. We were hoping that on Monday morning bullish rally will step in from this level, which is exactly what happened, which is exactly what you see on the previous video. As price reminded you since Friday, never ever 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 short into institutional support. Flawless multiple long trades, as we discussed with students in the course, as you witnessed in the trading room, played out. Where's the market this morning? This morning market at the exhaustion levels. Drastically different market structure. Market in brutal correction. Look at this. We've been stuck at the reversal zone in brutal correction few minutes since the open. Look at this range. Do you understand that this is everything in your trading? Only when you master corrections you can succeed. If you participate in this very dangerous narrow trading range, the only one who is making money is your broker, not you. Institutions keep adding to their positions, price sitting at reversal zone, but we're not seeing sell-off. Knowing the rules for your short point of entry is everything. Price reverses from this level 80+% of the time. The other 15-20, price giving you only correction. It's exact same thing that's happening currently on gold. Look at that. Sell-off in 2016, chop 2016 prior. And look at that. Every single time gold came to this level, selling pressure. This is exact same thing gold, your investment decisions, second week in a row in a play. Identical structure as in front of you this morning on S&P. As institutions keep adding to their positions. This is your day trading chart. And if you are trading with institutions and not against institutions, you understand the danger of where we are in the market now. As bullish rally identified years in advance that started at Fibonacci Reversal Zone in 2016 reached institutional reversal. We are not seeing institutional sell-off yet. We're seeing weak selling pressure. Knowing what separates correction from institutional sell-off, you can learn in Fibonacci Mastery course. As this is your investment chart and this is your day trading chart. Buying with institutions, not trading against them is everything. And this is what Ed is doing, who is currently in the course, as he has acquired his options trade with institutions. The average price at the entry 150, this morning 190. Can you do that with your strategies? That's what students accomplish. Students who play by the rules. What you trade, absolutely up to you, as formula remains the same. Doesn't matter what you trade. Doesn't matter if it's buy options. Doesn't matter if it's Apple. Doesn't matter if it's Netflix or gold. Reversal zone is present. Exit the position. Doesn't matter if it's 1. Doesn't matter if it's 2. Not the place to enter. Earnings and indicators never work. If they did, everyone would be Bill Gates. Ed learned that lesson a long time ago, and you can hear him on the website, as S&P remains in correction, and reminding you. How you adjust to market conditions is everything. How you identify correction from reversal will determine if you will be profitable or not as a trader. This is everything in your trading. Yesterday morning flawless, this morning not. Major chop at reversal zone. Ed knows that. Do you? Do you know that institutional bias in front of you? You learned that on the first class. Institutional bias still bullish. This chart is screaming out loud. However, be prepared as institutional reversal zone is reached. We're not gonna dance in correction forever. Are you prepared for volatility? Are you prepared for sell-off? As frozen market conditions will not remain forever. And will institutional sell-off play out? Can you protect your positions? Is your execution top-notch? Is your decision-making drastically faster and more powerful than in bullish markets? Because that's what required when markets are collapsing. Drastically faster, drastically better trading is a must. Drastically stricter rules. As to the upside market moving drastically slower, then it will start selling off. As of now, it's only bearish correction. As of now, institutional bullish, bias still bullish. It's all in front of you. Price telling you that. And if you understand price action, you can trade anything. As students share it time and time on the website. So pretty please do review the information on the website, and remember, this week class on Wednesday, not on Friday. Review all the information on the website. All the classes are live, modules only supplemental. Group sessions 8 week, private mentoring 16. Listen to the students, where Ed also speaks, along with Michael, with whom I met, along with Sam. With Michael I met in California, with Sam I met in Asia, with William I met in New York, with Jeff I met in New York, with Gian in California. Where you are depends on you. What account you trade? Are you like hedge fund manager like Joseph, who shorted Tesla from reversal zone? Remember that? He was sharing that in the room one day. Identical structure, as Joseph knows. The only thing that's accurate is Fibonacci. Earnings on Tesla did not mean a thing. The only thing that matters is price action. And if you can play by the rules, formula remains the same. The students know that very, very clearly. So if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me, 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. And remember, 3 days a week in private mentoring booked for the next year and a half. I only have 2 openings as of today. As S&P remains in brutal correction, testing you for knowledge of the rules. Rules are met, take a trade. The only one who is making money now is your broker, who is reminding you, don't be a trading cowboy, do not speculate. Buy with institutions at the bottom. Monday, 10 out of 10 morning. Tuesday morning, you take off. You do not sit and stare. Maximum work week 10 hours per week. Be a sniper. Be a gem hunter. Don't be a babysitter of corrections. And that's the focus of the course. What you will decide to trade will be absolutely up to you.